Is that a ruler in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? On this week's Luke's Tuesday tip, we're going to find out what's in my pants.
Luke's Tuesday tip.
So what's inside my pants that's making me so happy? Is it a ruler? Yes, it is. On this week's Luke's Tuesday tip, I'm going to show you how to use your hand as a ruler. Now keep in mind, every person's hand is a little bit different, and this is just used as an estimation of certain and common types of measurements. Let's get right to it. Number one, your thumb, right at the base of your thumb, is about 1 inch. 4 fingers together is about 3 inches from your index to your pinky. Your thumb and your fist, from the top of your thumb to the bottom of your palm here, is about 6 inches. And a span is the distance between the top of your pinky and the base of your thumb. That's around 9 inches. And the last one for 1 foot is the base of your arm to the top of your fist. That's about 1 foot. If you have any more measurements that you use, please sure to comment below. Like my page if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm Luke Kendziorski. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and we'll see you next Tuesday.